How to remove the propeller shaft cross coupling. When you remove this lock, there is no way you can pull out this one inside. So we use the law of physics that states that for every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what you have to do, when you hammer this side, the reaction of the hammer, you push the coupling out. So you just hammer here, but in a suspense. You put it in a suspended way, like here. So as you hammer here, this coupling will get out. The same thing you do on the other side. You hammer this side, and the coupling will get out. So if you want to remove this one, you have to remove the lock, and you have to hammer this side. So as you hammer here, this coupling gets out. This is the coupling that you have to.
कैसा मिलेगा ये? मिल जाते हैं तो फिर कितना लूज हो गया ये तो